All right, guys, autofanatic. This is the RYOBI Easy Clean. I don't usually show this stuff on my channel. Actually, I did a video 2 years ago on the Works Hydro Shot. I got so frustrated, leaked everywhere, and I never posted that video. So this is like a portable system that works on 18 volts. You take your feed from your garden hose, and it's supposed to give you much more pressure, but it's only, what is it, Jerry? It's 0.8 gallons per minute. Yeah. So it's got a very, very low flow. So I'm just going to show you guys, it's got 3 different spray patterns. It's got a 15 degree, it's got a rinse, and it's got a turbo jet. So we're going to get close up on my car, and I'll show you. This is the 15 degree right here. Okay, just rotate it. This is the rinse mode. Now here's the turbo mode. You can see how it's rotating like a turbo nozzle. I mean, in theory, this works. I think this is really marketed to somebody that's going to use this out of a bucket of water, or someone that doesn't have a water supply. Yeah, so it comes with a siphon hose, and like if you're on a boat or something like that. But I'm going to show you guys a quick demonstration. We're going to clean one of my wheels in the Alfa Romeo. We're going to foam it with the autofanatic wheel cleaning foam. I'm going to hit it with some wheel cleaning brushes, and we're going to rinse it off and see how well it did. So let's get set up right now. All right, so we're just going to foam the wheel up with the autofanatic wheel cleaning foam. And being that this unit that I'm demonstrating for you guys does not have a lot of PSI, what is it? I think 300 PSI, Jerry, or 320
or something.
Okay. I'm just going to take my modified wheel woolies and go in there and agitate a little bit. And it's still easy. To be honest with you, from using this thing already for about an hour, I just think using a good garden hose with a good nozzle just makes a lot more sense. But then a lot of you guys, I know you reached out to me, you live in apartments where you have municipal garages, and this is the method that you guys are using to maintain your cars the best that you can, especially in the winter time where you can't go to a coin operated self-serve wash, you know. So I think it has a purpose. It's only, what is it, like $77, Jerry? $79. So if you guys already have RYOBI power tools, I don't own one RYOBI power tool, but Jerry owns a bunch of them. So he picked it up and thought it was fun for a little bit of a test, and that's kind of what we're doing today. But like I said, I think every tool has a purpose for every different individual. But for me, I don't think this makes much sense because I got pressure washers and garden hoses. So we're just gonna put that to the side. Gonna go to the rinse down mode, see how quick it does. You can see down there, I mean, it's, you know, the wheel's getting clean. Like I said, it's not bad. The one thing is that I noticed there's so low volume of gallons per minute coming out of this unit that it's just going to take you longer to rinse off the wheels. They're very similar. If you guys watched my steam cleaning video, the last video I posted, it just takes forever because you have such a small concentration of where you're attacking the surface area of the wheel. It just takes, it's not efficient. And I'm all about speed and efficiency and doing a good job. But this, like I said, could be an option for you guys. We're actually going to do a test using the 5-gallon bucket. We're going to draw it out from the bottom just to show you guys out there that don't have a water supply exactly how it works. And this could be an option for you guys if you have RYOBI power tools. Instead of buying the Works Hydro Shot, where that's a specific battery for that specific tool, this is universal. So if you have any of the RYOBI power tools, you could use the battery packs that you already have with this existing tool as an accessory. So we'll just show you another thing. We'll just get closer and we'll rinse off the car. So. I mean, it's not bad. It's just my garden hose with my Griot's Garage, the best hose nozzle, would just rinse this car off in like a third of the time, and it's just much more efficient. So we're gonna set this thing up right now and do a bucket test for you. We set up the RYOBI Easy Clean with the siphon hose, 5-gallon bucket. Just gonna show you guys a demonstration of how quickly it will suck out the 5 gallons of water. We're just gonna spray it on the ground, nothing crazy here. How come why is it like stuck?
It's got a safety trigger.
Hold on.
Self-siphoning.
We should probably put it on the 15 degree. This is like a total fail.
Whoa, it's going,
There it goes. I mean, based on the gallons per minute, I mean, this is definitely enough to wash the car. You know, if you were to do a wash in the garage. Exactly. So you have a higher yield, slower wash time. Wow.
The amount of water that it's using is barely on the water.
I mean, the bucket only dropped about an inch.
Yeah, I mean, I have this much.
So if it could do that much in about a minute and a half or so, then this 5 gallons, as far as sucking it out, if you don't have a water supply, is definitely enough to clean all 4 wheels in your car and possibly the full car itself. So if you have 2 5-gallon buckets and you can fill it up and go down to your garage, this definitely will get the job done. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on what I think of this Easy Clean system. All right, guys, so that's my quick little review of the RYOBI Easy Clean system. Like I said, I don't think this is something that's going to appeal to everyone. The one thing I dislike is the weight of the unit, also very low GPMs, but like I said, it's got a gasketed, you can see here, battery compartment, so it's totally safe and watertight and airtight. And it comes with an attachment. It's like $79 at Home Depot and also on Amazon. If you guys have RYOBI power tools, you could pick this up and try it out. Like I said, this is probably good for someone that doesn't have a water supply, because it seems that the length of the hose and get a couple of 5-gallon buckets, fill it up with water, you could easily do a full wash, clean all your wheels, and definitely have some water left over as far as how long it takes to suction and draw out from those 5-gallon pails. So, like I said, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the AutoFanatic channel and stay tuned for more content where I'll be showing and demonstrating some new tools and cool stuff for your garage and for detailing very soon. Thanks again.